fundamental movement skills is an important part of healthy child development. So today I'm going to show you how I teach jumping jacks to kids.
Go!
Jumping jacks are super fun, but they're also a complex calisthenic movement. When we teach a child the jumping jacks, we're combining the fundamental movement of jumping with reaching the arms out and up. Jumping jacks are also a component of galloping. Some benefits of jumping jacks include the physical literacy components of agility, balance, and coordination. They can also be a great full body warm-up, increase our cardiovascular fitness, and improve bone density due to the impact. For these reasons and more, jumping jacks can be a great component to fitness for children and adults alike. If you'd like to see how we incorporate jumping jacks into a workout, check out this video. Let me show you how I teach jumping jacks to a child. We're going to start with a little bounce. We're going to go bend and open. Yes, good job. And bend and close. Close your feet together. Oh my goodness, you're so good at that. Now we're going to add our arms and we're going to be like a big star. So we're going to go open like a big star. Yes, and close. Oh my goodness, can we do 5 of those? Ready? 1, open, and close. 2, 3, and close. And 4, and close. And 5, and close. Oh my goodness, you are so good at that. High five.
And then start the song.
Yes, very good. When we teach children's movement, it's important to understand that there are different levels of being able to move. So when a child is first starting to learn a movement, we start to see the initial stage. They may have a little bit less body control, their arms are flailing a little bit, there's less coordination. Once we get to the elementary stage, we start to see the movement is a little bit more, it flows a little bit better. And then the mature stage is as the child grows and continues to practice that movement, they will reach the mature stage. So I have Jane here today. We're going to be doing a jumping jack, and we'll show how maybe a more mature stage looks. So we start with our feet together, a little bend and open. Good job. And then a little bend and close. Very good. Now we're going to add the arms. Our arms come down to our sides and we're going to go into a big star. Ready? Little bounce and open and together. Good job. And do you see how there's a little bounce? Can I see your little bounce, Jane? Yes, very good. Very nice. So let's try 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll notice that when we land, it's important to keep our knees soft so that we don't jar or hurt our knees. So give it a little softness as you open and land. Very good. Good job, Jane. If you'd like to see how we incorporate jumping jacks into a workout, check out this video.
Today! For more fresh, healthy activities, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a healthy day! Today!